guys, today we're unboxing this A380 regular plane. I think it's a model. If it's metal, it's a model. If it's not, it's not. Whatever it is, I'm happy with. Yep, it's metal. It says A380, it's in the house colors, which is nice. It's in a box, which your toy would be in, but like, I don't really care, to be honest. So yeah, this is the plane. Let's see if I have a ruler. There's no ruler. So yeah, this is the plane. Landing gear is how it should be in the formation. It says the company there and the A380. The wheels do not turn, which is a pity. And like what they expect. Start from the sky. Lol. So yeah, the cockpit, the windows, and the tail. Nice. Everything's in the house colors. And yeah, cockpit is where it should be, not on the top. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Ciao, peace out, see yous.